Team Implode Audio. For the love of bass, this beat is powered by DJ Drop. Increase volume levels now. Enjoy your bass experience.
Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I was sitting here messing with my truck, you know, and freaking all of a sudden this song came on. I thought of the name of the truck. It's called Truck Go Bang. I'm going to be putting Truck Go Bang across the windshield. I think that's going to fit this truck well. Because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running 4 audio Q18s. And this thing's going to bang. Gonna be getting all the decals soon. Oh, bang! Yeah, I think the Truck Go Bang across the windshield is gonna be badass. Alright guys, tell me what you think. Later. Got a little temporary stereo. Pioneer head unit. Type R10. That little Planet Audio.
Team Implode Audio, for the love of bass.